Welcome to ePlatform. In this video, we'll walk you through the ePlatform shop, where you can browse and purchase private titles for the exclusive use of your students, and manage everything from class sets to patron requests. The shop is updated constantly, with new titles across all age groups and genres. These are available for private purchase and can be added to your school's collection instantly. Browse regularly to keep your collection vibrant and aligned with student interests. You can buy credit within ePlatform for later use. This lets you secure funds for future purchases, and the credit is valid for up to 2 years. You can pay by credit card, direct debit, or via your monthly account. It's a great option for schools wanting more flexible purchasing without constant approvals, and allows funds to be put aside for later in the year. Use the filters on the left side of the shop to narrow your search. You can filter by category, genre, format, audience, language, and more. You can also use the Sort drop-down bar to change your order and view, and the search bar to find specific titles or series. Click Order History to see all previously purchased private titles. This helps track spending, avoid duplicates, and manage your digital inventory. The Expiring Titles tab shows how much time and how many loans remain on your purchased titles. This helps you plan ahead and renew or replace titles before they expire. The Requests facility is set to On by default, but you can choose to turn it off if you wish. If enabled, students and staff can request titles from the shop. In the Browse page, if a title you are searching for does not exist in your current collections, but if it is in the shop, you will have an option to request it. These requests appear under the Patron Wishlist tab and can be reviewed by your admin team. Here you can view title details, who requested it and when, and you can decide whether to decline the request or pop it into your basket. It's almost admin-free, but do note that only admin can access the shop to browse and purchase. You can purchase titles directly from the shop main page, as well as once you have clicked into a title. Look at the right panel on any title to view your current access to that title in your shared or private collection. Before purchasing, always check the publisher's T's and C's to confirm loan duration and the loan limit terms. To view these, just hover over the I, the information icon. This helps avoid accidental ordering, as the publishers do not allow returns or refunds on digital titles. To purchase a title, click Add to Basket. Note the DRM hosting fee added is charged once per title. From there, you can choose to pay by credit card, bank transfer, or on account using your ePlatform credit facility. Once confirmed, titles are instantly added to your school's collection and ready to borrow. What if you want to purchase titles specifically for group reading? Class sets are available on any ebook in the shared collections. Use the Class Set Titles filter to browse available titles. These are ideal for shared class texts, literature circles, year-level reading programs, learning support, and extension classes. And as an extra bonus, the new titles added monthly to the shared collections immediately become eligible as a class set title. class sets can be booked using our dedicated booking system. Using the sliding scales, you can select your title, quantity, and loan duration, and then assign it to a class if required. You'll be able to track usage and ensure access for all students during the reading period. It's also really flexible. How you use those titles during that time is up to you. Discounts range from 35 to 75% depending on the title, quantity, and loan duration. Class set booking loan duration begins at purchase, so only book these when you are ready to use them. They will always be available. Please note that any private purchases are firm sale, so choose carefully. You'll also find a large selection of free classics through the Gutenberg Project. These titles are completely free and available for unlimited simultaneous use, perfect for English classes, wide reading, or extension work. You can look for titles like Animal Farm, Pride and Prejudice, or The Secret Garden, all ready to borrow instantly for individual use and class sets. So make sure you tell your English department about this fantastic free resource. And that's it. Use the ePlatform shop to view new releases, keep your collection dynamic, respond to student requests, and create class sets with ease. It's a flexible and powerful way to customize your school's digital library.